Pak Autos 2025 Leclerc tank. The French-made Leclerc is one of the most advanced main battle tanks in the world, combining cutting-edge technology, firepower, and mobility into a single, highly efficient combat machine. Developed by Nexter, formerly GIAT Industries, the Leclerc was designed to replace the aging AMX-30. It stands out with its modular armor system, high-speed mobility, and state-of-the-art fire control system. Unlike many other tanks in its class, the Leclerc is built for speed and rapid engagement, making it a formidable presence on the battlefield. Powering this beast is a V8X1500 Hyperbar engine, delivering 1,500 horsepower. This allows the Leclerc to reach speeds of up to 72 km per hour on roads and maintain impressive agility even in off-road conditions. It features a hydropneumatic suspension system, providing superior maneuverability and comfort for the crew even on rough terrain. Firepower is where the Leclerc truly shines. It is equipped with a JOT CN120-26120mm smoothbore gun, capable of firing NATO standard ammunition as well as advanced French-developed rounds. The autoloader system reduces the crew size to just 3, commander, gunner, and driver, improving efficiency while keeping the tank's overall weight lower than some of its competitors. The fire control system is among the best in its class, offering a hunter-killer mode where the commander and gunner can independently track and engage targets for rapid response in combat situations. The Leclerc's modular armor is another standout feature. It uses composite materials and can be upgraded with additional armor packs to adapt to different threats. The tank also has an advanced defensive suite, including laser warning systems and countermeasures to disrupt enemy targeting systems. What truly sets the Leclerc apart is its ability to operate efficiently with a high level of automation. The tank is designed for network-centric warfare, meaning it can share battlefield data with other units in real time. This makes it an essential asset in modern military operations where information and coordination are key to success. The Leclerc isn't just about brute strength, it's a highly refined, battle-ready machine that showcases France's engineering expertise. With its combination of speed, firepower, and technology, it remains one of the most capable tanks in service today.